Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit Google Sheets file in a view only mode. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have my view only file, and since this file is in a view only mode, so I can't edit this Google Sheets file. But don't worry guys, because we can still edit this Google Sheets file in a view only mode. We can edit this file if we have made a copy of this document. So first of all, we're going to make a copy of this document in our Google Drive. We can click on the three dots button and then select the share and export. Alright, and select the manage a copy option. And before you make a copy of this document, you can change the document title. And I'm going to change the title. And then once we're done adding the document title, we can click on OK and just wait for a moment. It's still loading. Right guys, okay, and now the copy of this document has been created in my Google Drive. So after I have the copy of this document, I can edit this Google Sheets file. As you can see, I'm going to enter text like this. Okay, and I guess that's how we can edit a Google Sheets file in view only mode. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.